Looking for a place where time seems to stand still? This is Millthorpe, a heritage-listed village settled back in the 1800s. Its captivating main street stands as a perfectly preserved snapshot, showcasing authentic Victorian-era country life. You will find exceptionally charming cottages, grand historic buildings, and truly unique local businesses nestled around every picturesque corner. The entire street is delightfully filled with charming boutique shops, offering everything from exquisite homewares and unique fashion to beautiful local art. Each individual storefront proudly displays its own wonderfully unique style and captivating story waiting to be told. You can easily spend many delightful hours just leisurely window shopping and enthusiastically discovering charming hidden treasures. And for dedicated wine lovers conveniently located right on the main street, there are several charming cellar doors actively offering exceptional local organic wines. The true magic is artfully found in delightful details. Look at these stunning cottage gardens. Everywhere you look, there is always a distinct touch of fascinating history and heartfelt creativity. From wonderfully rustic, carefully handmade furniture pieces to charmingly whimsical shop displays and exquisitely elegant art pieces. The town has a unique personality, full of warmth and a bit of humor. Millthorpe Village offers the perfect tranquil escape from the relentless hustle and bustle of our modern daily life. This is a wonderful place to actively slow down your pace, deeply breathe, and truly appreciate the enduring beauty of a charming bygone era. If you are genuinely looking for a truly magical day trip or a relaxing weekend getaway, you should definitely add Millthorpe to your must-visit list.